So I made an AI slop game and it's actually not that bad. So I sort of drew the game first in Photopea. I brought the picture to Gemini. So I gave Gemini the specifications of the game, and about 10 seconds later, it gave me the first copy of it, which was not too bad actually, and pretty close to the actual game. After a couple more prompts, I added sound, fixed a few things, added levels, and roughly about 2 minutes later, I had a final working mobile game ready to go. This is only 2 minutes, guys, for free on Gemini. Gemini is kind of crappy actually. ChatGPT, the non-pay version, is actually terrible, so I don't even bother with ChatGPT anymore. And Claude is paid. I believe there is one that is not paid. It's called Ox or something. I'm not sure. I gotta look into that. But I mean, this is pretty good. Not too bad. I mean, I probably can make this in Clifton Fusion roughly in about half an hour, probably. Anyways, I'm not saying I made the game. Some sort of thing. I didn't make the game, but I directed the game. And the credits are going to be directed by Sparkman. The most amazing mobile game made in 20 seconds by AI, directed by me. Does that count? I don't know. So if you make a game like this, did you make the game, or I don't know what's going on here, guys? Let me know down in the comments below what do you think. So let me just show you something else. You can actually distribute this as an exe file, and I'm going to show you how. It's actually pretty simple. You go to this website here and you download NWJS. Alright, so you copy your HTML file here, you create a package, and you type this piece of code here with the window size, and if you want an icon, the name of the game, and blah blah blah, and that's it. You open the exe file and it will run your game as an exe file ready for shipping. Yeah, you can change the icon with a resource hacker, which is pretty easy actually. You just go get yourself some icons and replace the icon, and after that, that's it. You have a game made, directed by me, and made with AI code. Anyways, let me know what you think down in the comments below. Did I make these, or did AI make this game? Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. Bye now.